Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 7 in the 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on the Stamped Snowflake French Tip. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are all from Holo Taco. The base color for the accent nails is going to be Bep Bep Blue, and then I'm going to be stamping with Circuit Breaker, Blue Freezie, Sunken Secrets, and Electrostatic. I've got 2 plates with snowflakes on them here, and this is the MoU London Festive Collection 02, and this is the What's Up Nails A022 plate, and I'm going to be doing 1 snowflake with each color of Holo. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and to be honest, there's a few things that I would change with the position of the stamps, but overall I think it turned out okay. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can appreciate the Holo, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this as well as day 8, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support my content creation here on YouTube, feel free to join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.